Hi viewers, welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. If a friend, co-worker, or family member is sick, you want to say something to offer tidings for better health. These sentiments will let them know that you care. These are some expressions in Nigerian Pidgin English to comfort the sick. I hope say you dey feel better. I dey sorry to hear say you dey sick. How body? How your body? You go dey okay. You go dey better, no worry. Very soon you go comot for here. Sorry, eh? Sorry. Nigerians say sorry to sympathize with anyone that is going through distress or hard times. So the word sorry is very, very common in Nigerian Pidgin English. Until next time, bye for now.